friends? Do you love participating in debates? Do you often stand up for your friends during an argument? Would you like to help people fight for their rights? If your answer to any of these questions has been a resounding yes, consider lawyer as a career. We all need a person to solve any issues happening in life, but what happens if the issue is something which can't be solved on our own, and the requirement of other trustworthy person arises? Now this trustworthy person is a lawyer, who can solve all your issues with proper rules and regulation. Law is one of the legal education, and the person who passes all the exams of it is designated as lawyer. So, in this video we will try to help you with all your questions regarding the profession, lawyer, like what is law? What lawyers do? How to become a lawyer? Top colleges, job profiles and specializations, recruiters and pay scale. So now let us see. What is law, and who are lawyers? Law is a particular set of rules, which is followed by different countries to maintain peace, and if a person doesn't follow it then penalties are charged. As we all know, laws are made by government bodies, but lawyers keep a charge on it. Lawyers are a specific set of people, who have abundant knowledge of laws and articles in the Constitution, and hence they give justice to the people, with the help of their knowledge. Lawyers can be defined as an individual who conduct research and hence prepare documents, such as lawsuit, wills and contracts. Now let us see. What does a lawyer do? 1. Understanding laws and regulation. As a lawyer you must be aware and well versed with all the regulation covered by our Constitution. You would also have to help your clients understand these laws and any other legal right they hold. 2. Representing client in court. They represent clients in a court of law by acting as a spokesperson for them in front of the judge to help them to get justice in any legal matters. 3. Prepare legal documents. They are responsible for writing up certain important documents such as divorce petitions, legal notices, written statements of clients, wills, lease agreements. These documents have to be carefully prepared since they need to be presented in court. 4. Analyzing court cases. While working on a case, a lawyer would have to do thorough research on past cases that are similar to the case they are working, and they can be used as reference to their arguments. 5. Suggesting a course of action to client. As a lawyer you have to advise the client about legal decisions and their action plan for future. Now let us see. How to become a lawyer. A lawyer should have proper knowledge in their particular area of law. One has to choose the career after 10+2 because it gives a strong base. Law course is open for all streams students, be it science, commerce or arts. If you are planning to become a public prosecutor, take up arts. With subjects like political science that introduces you to laws and English and psychology to help with your people skills, arts is a good choice. If you are planning to become a taxation or property lawyer, take up commerce. Learning the basics of accounting, statistics, economics, etc., would help as a lawyer. While science is not the best option to kickstart your career in law, you can take it up if you're interested in subjects like physics and biology and want to be a patent lawyer. You can pursue either 3 or 5-year law course depending on whether you want to take up the course after class 12 or graduation. You will have to appear for the Common Law Admission Test (CLAT) or Law School Admission Test (LSAT) to get into course. The eligibility is a minimum of 45% marks in class 12 or 55% marks in your graduation course. The legal degree can also be pursued after graduation, but a strong base gives better results. Following are the qualifications required in this field. Integrated undergraduate degrees. One can opt for an integrated course after the 10+2, which is a 5-year. Some of the integrated courses are B.A. with LLB, B.Sc with LLB, BBA with LLB, BCom with LLB, Bachelor of Laws LLB. It's a 3-year course, which can be done after graduation. It is one of the most basic degree, which is required to study law. Master's courses. Master of Laws LLM. This is a 2-year degree course, mostly done after graduation. Master's is a must in the legal education as it gives proper knowledge about the subjects in detail. Master of Business Law. This is also a 2-year program, in which the candidate is provided specialization in business law. It's one of the most in-demand studies, because most of the companies hire students who have studied business law. Integrated MBA-LLM or MBA-LLB. This is a 3-year course, similar like integrated undergraduate course, but over here it's about masters. One who wishes to do the integrated course with business specialization can go for MBA-LLM or MBA-LLM, which can be pursued after the bachelor degree. Once the bachelor's degree gets completed, the Bar Council of India provides candidates with Certificate of Practice. Top colleges. The West Bengal National University of Juridical Sciences, Kolkata. National Law University, Jodhpur. Gujarat National Law University, Gandhinagar. Ram Manohar Lohia National Law University, Lucknow. Job profiles and specializations. Following are the various set of designations one may get as a lawyer. 1. Criminal lawyer. As the word suggests itself, in this field the specialization is done in criminal law. These lawyers work for specific individuals or companies who are charged under any crime. 2. Civil litigation lawyer. Civil litigation lawyers are popularly known as litigators or trial lawyer. These lawyers are mainly concerned over the recovery of money and property. To become a litigator, one should have a proper knowledge of family law, employment law, business law, immigration law and much more. 3. Legal analyst. Legal analysts are legal specialists, who basically support and aid all other individual lawyers or legal teams. They're mostly found in companies to handle all the legal issues and track them. 4. Document drafting lawyer. These lawyers are mostly concerned towards the documentation part, like drafting legal documents for anyone on behalf of the court. 5. Government lawyer. A government lawyer is usually seen in government offices, to solve all the issues related to the country and foreign countries. They usually work in courts which are under the government bodies. 6. Judge. This is one of the highest posts a lawyer can get. It requires years of dedication to reach here. A judge is the decision maker, hence the knowledge of them should be much more as compared to others. Top recruiters. There are many legal firms who hire lawyers after the completion of studies. Some of them are Amarchand Mangaldas, AZB and Partners, J. Sagar Associates, Kaitan & Co., Luthra & Luthra. At last. Pay scale of lawyers. Lawyer is one of the most in-demand fields, and the salary is totally dependent on how good a person is in its subjects. Honestly, in this field there is no limit of salary. Then too, after completion of all the given courses, one can expect a salary of almost 15,000 to 20,000 per month as a practitioner. Working individually in a court can give you pay of almost 20,000 to 80,000. Law is one of the respected careers a person can go for. The demand of a lawyer would never go, because lawyers are most important individuals in any term. Hope this video solves all your questions regarding lawyer as a career, and you choose wisely what's best for you. Thank you.